Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you guys a whole lot for always making a chance to watch my videos. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, as you're watching this video, if you find it interesting, you can kindly click the like button and then click the subscribe button and then the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you guys will be notified and be among the first people to watch the video. So guys, today I'm in Umuahia again, and this road leads to Uzuakoli. So to me, I think this is Uzuakoli road, the road leading to Uzuakoli. I want to take you guys to the Umuahia Uzuakoli-Ohafia, road construction site where the work, actually is going on right now. Yeah, please just kindly watch the video down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. This road right here leads to Ohuhu and then the Urbani Modern Market in Umuahia. Then you keep going down, you're going to get to the boundary between Umuahia and Uzuakoli. And as you're watching this video, you're going to be seeing how this environment is in September 2024. Please watch this video down to the end so that you will see where I am taking you guys to, the road construction site where workers are already working already. From Umuahia side, the road starts in Umuahia, gets to Uzuakoli, passes down to Ohafia. Then if you're coming from Ohafia, you're just going to take the road straight down to Umuahia. So this area, I think this area is called Ohuhu. And from here, you're going to get to Urbani Modern Market. Yeah, that's the central market of the people of Umuahia in Abia State. Okay, so just kindly watch the video down to the end as I'm going to show you and explain some certain things to you as you are watching. This road is completed to travel from Umuahia down to Ohafia. It's not going to take much time anymore. So you can see one of the machines using working the road, gutters, the drainage. They're actually digging the gutters and the drainages over here for the road, where at least water can be passing through so it doesn't spoil the road when the road is done. So kindly watch this video down to the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and share this video. other side where I was able to film the work going on there, well. So watch this video down to the end, share this video, tell me what you think in the comment section. What do you think about this Umuahia Uzuakoli-Ohafia road? By the time it's completed, my brother, it's going to make, you can see the cutters now, very thick quality. By the time this road is completed, driving from Umuahia to Ohafia wouldn't take time anymore. I don't think it's even going to start. Let's just say it's going to take you like 40 minutes